Mag-start na ba or dili?
Oh, start na Lai. Okay na.
Sure, okay, start na. So good morning, everyone. Today our topic is all about the cardio burn. Cardio burn is a workout that consists of exercises designed to increase your heart rate and keep your body. Before we begin our main exercises, it is important to prepare our bodies for a proper warm-up to help prevent injuries and improve our performance. For our learning objectives, next slide please. At the end of this online session, you should be able to define cardio burn and its benefits, demonstrate the warm-up cardio burn exercises and movement correctly, and initiate proper safety precautions while performing the exercises online setting. Before we start, please remember the following safety precautions. Do this workout in a clear 2 by 2 meter space. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes. Keep a bottle of water nearby to stay hydrated. Stop immediately if you feel dizziness or pain. Your safety is always our priority. Once you prepare your space and yourself, we can begin. Next slide, please. Our goal during the warm-up is to raise your heart rate and loosen your joint. Please pay attention and follow each exercise. First is march in place. Next, arm circles, then leg swings, and lastly is the jumping jacks. Please refer to the warm-up link provided. Pay close attention and follow the warm-up exercises before proceeding to the main workout. Please click the link. Okay.
Gapilit ka, Lai. Nagputol-putol mo, Lai.
Putol-putol imong tingog, ma'am.